Welcome to this comprehensive guide on tips for Monday.com tasks. Monday.com is a powerful work operating system that helps teams manage tasks, projects, and workflows. In this tutorial, we will explore key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to help you get the most out of Monday.com. First, let's start with the basics. A task in Monday.com is an individual item that needs to be completed. To create a task, simply click on the plus icon and fill in the task details, including the task name, description, and due date. You can also assign the task to a team member and add relevant tags and attachments. To prioritize tasks, use the priority column to label tasks as high, medium, or low priority. This helps you focus on the most important tasks first. You can also use the calendar view to visualize your tasks and deadlines. Next, let's talk about automation. Monday.com allows you to automate repetitive tasks using recipes. A recipe is a set of rules that automate a task or workflow. For example, you can create a recipe that sends a notification to a team member when a task is assigned to them. To collaborate with team members, use the @mention feature to tag team members in a task or comment. This sends a notification to the team member and allows them to respond quickly. You can also use the comment section to discuss tasks and share feedback. Another key concept is customization. Monday.com allows you to customize your workflow using boards, columns, and views. A board is a visual representation of your workflow, and columns represent different stages of the workflow. You can customize your board to fit your team's specific needs and workflow. To get the most out of Monday.com, use the reporting feature to track progress and identify bottlenecks. The reporting feature allows you to create custom reports and dashboards to visualize your data. This helps you make informed decisions and optimize your workflow. Finally, let's talk about best practices. To ensure successful implementation of Monday.com, establish clear goals and objectives, define workflows and processes, and provide training to team members. Regularly review and update your workflows to ensure they remain relevant and effective. In conclusion, Monday.com is a powerful tool that helps teams manage tasks, projects, and workflows. By following these tips and best practices, you can get the most out of Monday.com and take your team's productivity to the next level. Remember to prioritize tasks, automate repetitive tasks, collaborate with team members, customize your workflow, and use reporting to track progress. With these tips, you can achieve success with Monday.com and drive your team's success.